Alright, so we already learned how to do the subscribe pop-up. Let's take a look on what other pop-ups are available for us and how useful they can be. So if I press again on all pages and then I'll click on pop-ups, here is the nice subscribe to newsletter pop-up we already created. We're going to press just above it on the add new pop-up. Once we clicked on that, we can see now the different type of options available for us. Let's go with the contact us. So the contact us pop-up essentially is just like any other contact form, but it's going to show up in the pop-up. It's going to grab more attention than just another widget on the page. And you can also decide what would trigger it. So let's go with the simple one here, since all the editing and the triggers are pretty much the same for all. Let's click on the contact us. And here I'll show you something interesting. So if we go to the display rules, you can see the contact us one has an option called button clicking. Let's switch the pop-up. And as soon as I did, you see all the triggers and display rules disappeared, because essentially what we told the system is that we would like this pop-up to show up once a certain button has been clicked. Once we've done that, we're good to go. Now let's go and choose the button. So I'm not going to work much more with editing this one, since we covered it already in the subscribe and it's the same. And let's choose the contact us button that we have here. So if I click on this contact us button, essentially we can go here and in the button settings of the menu. And once I chose this pop-up, we can see that the contact us, this is the new pop-up we just created. And clicking outside would save it. Now, like everything we do, we want to go ahead and test it. So we're pressing on the view website. And here is this button that we just finished editing. Clicking on it, and we're getting the contact information. In the editing of this contact form, of course, you can add more fields, you can change the text, you can do everything you can do in all other pop-ups or in all other widgets. But this is pretty much how it is. It's very powerful, it's very elegant, it grabs attention. If we ignore the coloring that I'm using, as I said, I'm not such a good designer. I'm sure you can make a much better job than me. Thank you. Wait. That's all. Thanks a lot.